Welcome back to my channel. This is Colette again. I am back with another video. So you can see what the video is all about on the title and on the look, right? So today I have with you guys this my unpermed short hair pixie cut video. Yes, I decided to cut my hair, you guys. I just wanted to, a lot of people have many reasons why they cut their hair. Some, they don't want to deal with the long hair no more. They just want to experience that short haircut, the style, the perm styles. And some people, they want to grow their hair. They want to regrow their hair. And my own reason was because I just want to experience this beautiful. Lord, I'm loving this. I'm so loving this. I cannot wait to produce more styles on this hair. Like, this is my very first style, and woo, I'm loving it. And guys, stay tuned because we are going to mess with this hair. Like, we're gonna mess with this hair together. So this is this is what it's looking like, okay? So today I brought to you guys a video on how I got this done. So if you want to see how I did this, keep watching. Don't go away, keep watching. Thank you so much for the love that you've been showing me. If this is your first time to my channel, please show me some love by clicking the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And also thank you to my old subscribers. The love is just overflow. I thank you guys so much for that love. Continue to share this video, continue to like, continue to comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Stay tuned and let's do this together. Bye. So right now, this is my hair. I have chopped the side of my hair, both sides, and I actually went to the barber to fade the back of my hair. Next thing, I'm going to be using this blue magic to put on the perimeter of my hair. Next, my gloves. This is the relaxer I'll be using. This relaxer comes with the relaxer itself, then the activator, the shampoo, and the conditioner. Next, I'm going to be mixing the activator and the relaxer together for about 5 minutes. So because my hair is short on the side, I'm not going to be sectioning it into 4. I'm just going to start in the middle where the longest length is and work my way, around the hair. While applying my first layer, I'm making sure it's not touching my scalp yet. So I went ahead and massaged the product all over my hair. I use about 2 of this relaxer. And here is it after I clean out the product, shampooed and conditioned my hair. and it's ready for styling. So for styling, I'm going to be using this olive oil mousse to mold my hair, okay? So I'm just using this tape comb to define my path and also to style it to the direction that I would like. Make sure you apply a generous amount of mousse on your hair in order for you to be able to style it the way you want it, you know. You need mousse for it to work. After molding, I'm going to be using this rapid styling strip to hold down my hair. So I'm making sure that my entire head is covered. And I'm going to be leaving this on my head overnight. If you don't have this rapid styling strip, you can use any sleek hair wrap. So I went ahead and used the sleek hair wrap to hold it, just so I could sleep comfortably on the bed. Now I'm just combing it and getting ready to style. Using my tape comb, I'm sectioning this hair into 3 different sections, and I'm beginning with the middle section. I'm using some hair clips to hold the rest of the hair out of the way. So as you can see, I'm using my flat iron to curl the middle section of the hair toward my forehead. On the side, I'm going to be curling the hair toward my ear. So on this side, I'm going to be curling the hair slightly backward instead of curling it straight down to my ears. So right now I'm just going to use my tail comb to redefine my part, making sure it's clean and nice. And we are ready. I'm going to be going in with this olive oil holding spray to set my curls. And next I'm going to be going in with this olive oil shine finish spray to give this hair some shine. And for my edges, I'm going to be using this Gorilla Glue gel, mixing it with mousse to lay my edges. So now I'm just gonna use my finger to, straighten the curls a little bit and to just give them some balance. Using the comb as well to smoothen the side and the back.
This is the finished look. If you're planning to cut your hair, I hope you're gonna try this style. If you've cut your hair already, I hope you're gonna try it as well. Thank you guys for your patience, for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and please share it to those that you know that they will need this. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Sunday morning. Sunday mornings.
Say yo.